Hey, hey you,
Me?
yes you. Are you between the ages of 9 to 12, attending a primary or prep school? Do you want to go on a treasure hunt? No, no, no. You don't need to go that far. Our island home has a lot of hidden treasures, and this is your opportunity to explore.
The Jamaica Information Service Heritage Essay Competition is here again for its 4th staging. Your challenge is to type a 400 to 500 word essay on which national heritage site is most significant and why.
So gear up, boot up that computer, and start trekking.
You need to download your passport, the application form online at www.jis.gov.jm. For more information on what you need to complete your exploration, call 926-359-024, extension 2137 or 2133. You can continue your journey until Friday, November 7. That's right, the deadline has been extended. The typed essay should be submitted online via the entry form on the JIS website at jis.gov.jm. Treasures and bounty await you courtesy of our sponsors: FDR Resort, Lime, Jamaica National, Sangster's Bookstore, WB Trophies, Royal Computers and Accessories, and Singer. Remember, November 7 is the new deadline. Submit your entries now. The Jamaica Information Service Heritage Essay Competition 2014.